Assalamu alaikum. Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of chapter Playing with Number. So the next topic in this chapter we are going to learn is test of divisibility. So this test of divisibility actually we can have from 2 to 12, but here we are going to learn in 8th standard divisibility by 10, divisibility by 5 and divisibility by 2, and the next last one divisibility by 9 and 3. In your further classes you will learn till 12 or more than that, but in this 8th standard textbook you are going to learn divisibility by 10, divisibility by 5, divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 9 and 3. Here to find the divisibility there are some rules. So let us learn what rules we have for all the numbers. Okay, here you can see we are going to learn the test of divisibility. So first is divisibility by 10. So a number is divisible by 10. What is the condition? Let us check. What is the rule we have to see? A number is divisible by 10 when its ones digit is 0. What they are saying? A number is divisible by 10 when its ones digit is in the sense unit place. Its unit place should be 0. Then only we can say that the number is divisible by 10. Any other number I'll write. For example, 3, 5, 2, 0. See, you can see the unit place is 0. So we can say that a number is divisible by 10. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी पढ़ रहे हैं. उसमें हम लोग 8th स्टैंडर्ड में डिविजिबल बाय 10, डिविजिबल बाय 5, डिविजिबल बाय 2 एंड डिविजिबल बाय 9 एंड 3 पढ़ेंगे. तो डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 10 में क्या बोल रहे हैं? अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 10. अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 10 व्हेन इट इज पॉसिबल जब यूनिट प्लेस 0 होता है, then we can say that a number is divisible by 10. So now here I have taken examples, many examples. So we can say that these numbers are divisible by 10 because you can see units place are 0. Now next divisibility by 5. Okay, let us see what rules for divisibility by 5. If one's digit of a number is 0 or 5, okay, 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. तो divisibility by 5 क्या, what is the condition? अगर unit place में 0 या 5 रहेगा तो हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि वो नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल होता है. Understood? If the unit place, ones is in the sense unit place. If the ones place of a number is 0 or 5, 10 के लिए only 0 और 5 के लिए you can see 25. Unit place, ones place is 5, 30, 0. So this is divisible by 5. 5 or 0. 0, we can write 35, any number, or 355. यूनिट प्लेस अगर 5 या 0 रहा तो वो नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल होता है. So you got it. Hope you all have understand the divisibility by 10 and divisibility by 5. Let us go for the next. Divisibility by 2. Okay. If the ones digit of a number is an even number. See, in my previous video I have told you what is even number, what is odd number, is it? So even number we know that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is a even number. So what they are saying, if the ones digit of a number is an even number, then the number is divisible by 2. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं? अगर कोई भी डिजिट में यूनिट प्लेस में इवन नंबर रहा तो वो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल होता है. गॉट इट? Unit place means last ones place. You can see here these all are the ones place, that is unit place. तो last में even number, 2 is a even number, 6 is a even number, 8 is a even number, 0 is a even number. So these all numbers are divisible by 2. I will write some other number 3, 2, 5, 7. Can this be a divisible by 2? No, because last number is not even. It is odd number. So, 3, 2, 5, 7 is not divisible by 2. 3, 5, 7. We'll write one more number here, 0. Now it is divisible by 2. Last number even रहना है divisible by 2 होने के लिए. So, you all understood the divisibility of by 2. Let us go for divisibility by 9. Okay. So, divisibility by 9 and 3. Okay. Here, let us go for check first 9. A number is divisible by 9 if its sum of the digit is divisible by 9. What they are saying? A number is divisible by 9 if its sum of the digits is divisible by 9. कोई एक नंबर 9 से डिविजिबल तब होगा जब उसके डिजिट्स एडिशन ऑफ ऑल द डिजिट इज डिविजिबल बाय 9. तो ये कंडीशन है. सम ऑफ ऑल डिजिट्स इज डिविजिबल बाय 9. तो मैं एग्जांपल सॉल्व करके आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेन करूंगी हाउ इट इज. ओके. सो वी कैन सी द सेकेंड वन, दैट इज डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 3. A number is divisible by 3 if its sum of the digits is divisible by 3. 9 और 3 का condition same है. 9 and 3 condition is same. So what is the condition? That sum of its digit is divisible by 9. So example, 63 is divisible by 3. They are asking whether 63 is divisible by 3. Let us check. कैसे? सम ऑफ द डिजिट वी हैव टू डू. सम ऑफ द डिजिट, ये जो डिजिट्स है वी हैव टू ऐड दिस. 6 plus 3 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. We know that in 3 table 9 comes. 3 3s are 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Okay. Let us see next example. 3 2 2. What we have to do? 3 plus 2 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Whether 7 comes in 3 table? No. 7 is not divisible by 2. 3. Not divisible by 3. Okay. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. It is not. Okay. Now let us see 128 is divisible by 9. 1 plus 2 plus 8. Okay. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 comes in 9 table? No. It is not divisible. Not divisible by 9. Got it? So, let us check this. So, big number. Let us add and check whether it is divisible. 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. Okay. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36 number you got. You know whether 36 is divisible by 9? Yes. 9 table 36 comes. 9 4s are 36. So, it is divisible by 36. Got it? Check whether 15285 by divisible by 3 or not. Let us check. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. Okay, now let us check. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 23. 28. Now 28 is divisible by 3. Yes. 3 8s are 20, 3 9s are 27. No, it is not divisible. 3 9s are 27. 28 doesn't come in 3 table. It is not divisible by 3. Okay. So like this way we have to check whether it is divisible or no. So let us check now next what exercise. Exercise 1.2, we will solve exercise problem. Let me show you how we have to start with the exercise problem. Here all divisibility I have taken these problems, whether it is divisible or not. Okay. So now here you can see the exercise 1.2. If 2 1 y 5, if 2 1 y 5 is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit, what is the value of y? Okay, let us check now. Here you can see the question. If 2 1 y 5 is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit, what is the value of y? Now multiple of 9 they have told. Let us write the multiple of 9. Multiple of 9 are 0, 9, 18, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. Like this are the multiple of 9. Okay. Now what they are asking, a number is a multiple of 9, then it is divisible by 9. जो नंबर मल्टीपल होता है वो डिविजिबल होता है वही नंबर का. तो अभी we have to find 2 1 y 5. It is a 4-digit number. We want the value of y. So the condition for, we know the rules. Just now we have learned what are the rules for divisibility for 9. Divisibility of 9 says that we have to add the digit 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 8 plus y. Okay. Now let us check with these multiples. If we add what number, we are going to get the multiple of 9s. Let us see. Okay. We will go for first 0. 8 plus y is equals to 0. If we add anything here, if we in place of y, if we put any number, can we get 0? No, it is not possible. अगर y की जगह पर कोई भी नंबर हम लोग लिखेंगे तो हम लोगों को 0 मिल सकता है क्या? नहीं मिल सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 8 plus 1 लिखेंगे तो 0 आएगा? नहीं आएगा. सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y they told ना. सो लेट अस चेक फॉर सेकेंड. 8 plus y is equals to 9. हाँ, 9 we will get. अगर हम y की जगह पर क्या लिखेंगे तो 9 मिलेगा हम लोगों को. इफ वी पुट 8 plus 1, y की जगह पर 1 डालेंगे तो we will get 9 because 8 plus 1 is 9. So what value we have substituted in place of y? 1. So therefore y is equals to 1. We got y value. They have asked find the value of y. Y is equals to 1. Then the number is divisible by 9. So we will put now here. Therefore, the number is 2115. In place of y we are writing 2115. Let us check whether we will get divisibility or not. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. Because condition we know we have to add. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 8, 9. And 9 is divisible by 9. So we got easily value of y as 1. तो y की जगह पर 1 डालने से we got 9. So hope you all have understood well here. We'll go for the next problem. Let us check next problem what it is. Okay, second one. If 31z5 is a multiple of 9 where z is a digit, what is the value of z? Here there is some other thing they have told. You will find that there are two answers for this problem. Let us see why is that. Okay, you will get two values they are saying. Let us find how we will get two values for this question. Same like multiple of 9 are. First multiple of 9 are, we know that 0, 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45 and all. Okay. Now the 4-digit number is given number is 31Z5 and the condition for multiple of 9 is addition of all the digit 3 plus 1 plus Z plus 5. What we will get? 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus Z we got. Okay, 9 plus Z, let us try with these multiples. 9 plus Z is equals to 0. Any number in place of z, if we write z की जगह पे अगर कोई भी नंबर लिखेंगे तो हम लोगों को 0 आंसर नहीं मिलेगा. So it is not possible. Not possible. ये कंडीशन पॉसिबल नहीं है. Let us go for second value 9. 9 plus z is equals to 9. हाँ. In place of z, what if we add? We will get 9. z की जगह पे कौन सा नंबर अगर हम लोग लिखेंगे तो हमको आंसर 9 मिलेगा. Yes. Guess what we will write? If we write 0, 9 plus 0 is equals to 9. 9 में अगर हम लोग 0 ऐड करेंगे तो हमको 9 ही मिलता है. So in place of z what we wrote? Therefore z is equals to 0. So we got one value, z is equals to 0. Let us check second value. Okay. We will write 9 plus z is equals to, in multiple of second table, 18. Okay, we got 18. So how we will get 18? Z की जगह पे कौन सा नंबर लिखना है so that we will get 18? 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. So in place of z, if we write 9, we will get 9 plus 9 as 18. Therefore, we got second value is 9. So let us write, therefore, z is equals to 0 or z is equals to 9 are the two values. Okay. Then how will be the number? Therefore, numbers will be, if z is equals to 0, then the number will be, I'll write here only. If z is equals to 0, number will be 31z plus 05. 3105 is a number if z is equals to 0. And if z is equals to 9, then the number will be 3195. So we got two numbers possibilities, that is z is equals to 0 or z is equals to 9. Let us check the next question what they have told. If 24x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, what is the value of x? Since something they have told here, everything, the answer whole they have told in this question only, but I will tell you step by step here. Okay, here they have told the answer. Since 24x is a multiple of 3, its sum of the digit is 6 plus x is a multiple of 3. So they have explained the answer, but I will do in the stepwise here. Okay, what they have told here, the question is, if 24x is a multiple of 3. So first we will write multiple of 3 are 0, 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18 and all these are the numbers. So let us see now how we will get the answer. Okay. First we will add the given number 2 plus 4 plus x. So we will get, this is 24x becomes 2 plus 4 plus x, that becomes 6 plus x. Let us try with the first value multiple. 6 plus x is equals to 0. Any number if we add in place of x, can we get 0? Any number if we write here, we cannot get 0. It is not possible. Okay, not possible. Let us see second one. 6 plus x is equals to 3. 6 plus x is equals to 3 they have told. We can see here, if we add any number here, it is not possible to get 3. 6 plus 1 becomes 5. 6 plus 0 becomes 6 only. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. 6 plus 2 becomes 8, which is not possible. So here 6 plus x cannot. This is also not possible. Okay. It is also not possible. Let us check for the third one. 6 plus x is equals to 6. Yes. Now we can see in place of x, if we write 0, we can get 6. 6 plus 0, we can get 6. तो x की जगह पे क्या लिखना है? 0 लिखना है. So we got one value. X is equals to 0. So x की एक value we got. Let us check. Therefore, the number will be what? Therefore, if x is equals to 0, number will be 240. 240. Okay. Let us go for the next value. Fourth one. 9. 6 plus x is equals to 9. Okay. What we will write? We get 9. We will get, in place of x, 6 plus 3 if we write here, we will get 9. So in x place what we wrote? 3. So x is equals to 3 is possible value. Therefore, the number will be, what will be the number? 2, 4, 3. 2, 4x is there na? 2, 4, 3 will be the next number. Okay. Let us check again. Fifth one. X, 6 plus x is equals to 12. How we will get 6 plus x is equals to 12? 6 plus, if we in x place, if we write 6, we will get 12. 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. तो हम लोग x की जगह पे क्या लिखे हैं? 6. So x is equals to 6 is another value. Therefore, the number will be 246. Let us check with the next value. 6 plus x is equals to 15. So how we will get 15? If we add in place of x, what we will have to write? 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is equals to, we will get 15. x place क्या लिखे हम लोग? 9. Therefore, x is equals to 9. Therefore, the number is 249. Let us check the next one. 18. 6 plus x is equals to 18. Let us check here like that. It is 18 possible. 6 plus 18. What we have to add? 11 something we have to add. X is equals to, let us check. Okay, we have to add 12. 6 plus 12 is equals to 18. But we cannot write 12. We want single digit in x place. Is it or not? We want single digit. We don't want the 2 digits. 12 is a 2-digit number. This we should stop till here only. Till here is only answer. This we should not do because we don't want 2-digit number. We have only 2 4x, single digit. So therefore we need not require. Just to show you people I have done this. You should not write this. You can write therefore value of x is 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. So this is the answer. How many values of x is possible? 0, either 3 or 6 or 9. If we take more than that, we are going to get 2-digit number which we cannot write in single digit place. So understood ना? तो हम लोगों को ये करना नहीं है. Okay. Let us see the fourth question. If 31z5 is a multiple of 3. Okay, same problem. Second one. In second one it was 9. Here 5. So hope you all will try this problem because I have explained you well about how to do this type of problems. Okay, and the question also is exactly same, only the multiple of 9 here and here only multiple of 3. So hope you all people will try this problem. Okay, so fourth one problem, try yourself. In my next video we are going to start with next chapter inshallah. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.